Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Today this video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to show you my hair removal routine and one of my favorite products for at-home hair removal. So before the product, I'm going to share a little bit background about my hair removal journey. I am Chinese, I have dark hair, brows and lashes, so my body hair is dark as well. And my skin is like light to medium, not so dark. So once I have body hair, it's not like a lot, but it's very noticeable. So here's the thing. It's still pandemic. It's really hard to keep up with these in-person visits at the clinics. So that's why I also did like waxing and shaving, things like that, but they really don't work as well as the laser treatments. But this product I'm going to show you is actually my current favorite. It's a perfect alternative to in-clinic laser treatment. This is IPL Daisy hair removal system. So this product is Daisy's IPL hair removal system. It's a 3-in-1 beauty device. It does more than hair removal, and I'll explain what it is and how to use it, and I'll do a quick demo in this video. So you guys stay with me. So first of all, what's IPL? IPL means intense pulsed light. It's a cosmetic treatment that uses high power light to hit a target. So in this case, it's the melanin in the hair. So these IPL devices can give out the right wavelengths to target melanin in the hair so that it slows down the hair growth. As I mentioned, I have done some in-clinic laser treatments before, so my hair growth is already like pretty slow. So if you're new to this, you are switching from waxing or any other methods to IPL device, and you will see like very noticeable difference in the first few months, and it's gonna be very dramatic. So for me, I'm more like maintain a clean skin to further slow down the current hair growth. So that's what I'm doing. So back to this Daisy device, it does more than hair removal, and here is the lamp. It's the filter, the lamp for hair removal, and it's marked HR on this lamp, and I can just insert. And there are two other lamps, one for acne treatment and the other one is for skin rejuvenation. So you can switch in between these three different lamps for different uses. If you have this lamp onto the head and it's ready to go, and this wavelength is designed for hair removal. So let's come back to this Daisy device, and this is more than a regular hair removal system because it has three different lamps. So the one that I installed here, this is for hair removal, and there are two other lamps, one for skin rejuvenation, the other one for acne treatment. So this is like a multi-function beauty device. You can do so much with this product at home. So for today's video, I'm going to focus on the main feature, the hair removal. There are like so many other IPL devices on the market, but why I am using this device from Deess? Look at this design. I like the ergonomic design of this light gun. So it's very easy to hold. So when you want to target a specific area, so most of the other devices you have to hold like this, but for this gun, you can just hold it. So it's more comfortable to use, first of all. And also, I think the cord is very long, so it gives you like the free space to move around. And also it has this screen, so when you turn on, you can see all the information about the setting, which is very important. And also the lamp is like interchangeable. And most importantly, this product is very comfortable for the skin because these lights can be very heating. Sometimes you got this burning sensation on your skin after each use, but with Daisy's product, it has this icy cooling feature with this head. Your skin will feel cool after each application. So this is really amazing. This is what makes it so nice. So for the quality, this is very long lasting. It has unlimited flashes. That means you don't have to buy any parts to replace throughout the lifetime. And it also comes with a 2-year warranty. So the quality is guaranteed. So for the effectiveness, this is my third week after the first treatment, and I don't see a lot of hair growth, which is so amazing. It makes me very happy, and I will keep using it in every 6 to 8 weeks. That's the cycle of hair growth, so you want to follow that. And then I'm gonna quickly do a demo with this device, and you guys can see how I use it. It's just pretty easy, so let's go. Turn on the device first by long pressing the power button, and then wear the sunglasses to protect the eyes. These sunglasses come with the package. Make sure you wear these. And the LCD screen shows the strength and other settings. I did 2 bars for the body. This is perfect strength for the body hair. You can use manual mode to press for each flash or use automatic flashing mode. It's up to you. I just use manual mode because I like better control. It flashes quickly, so it normally takes about 5 minutes for both arms and the lower legs. This product is very efficient. It's totally normal if you smell any burning of the hair. This is how it works. So for the pain level, I would say it's still pretty bearable, pretty acceptable. You can feel there's like a little bit heating with each flash. It's much better than waxing, honestly. You can start with less strength, like lower power, so that you can get used to it. And again, I have medium to light skin and my hair is dark, so it works pretty well with my situation. And here is a chart for your reference, what works and what doesn't. So you want to bear in mind, it really depends on your skin tone and your hair type. So just make sure you check out this chart first before you purchase. So that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is how I maintain clean body skin at home. It's very easy with Deess device. So if you're interested in trying Deess, you can go to the link in the description and find more information about the product. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!